Hello, it's now 2:30 and we are watching something that I don't remember the name of. I'm sitting here at Zan's place with almost no makeup on. Anyways, Zan is playing Mo. Today, on Friday, me and Zana, we are going to go and have some fun. We are going to party. We are going to Fontaine Palace and we are going to dance our asses off. We will need to go to the store because Zana needs to buy water. So we will do that at some point of the day. What time is it? It's 5 p.m. We have this and this because we will party. Yeah. Zana almost killed her lamp. Me and her, we are doing some things, so we need the booze, and soon it's now 8 p.m. And after 2 hours, I think we will go to party. We will go to Fontaine Palace. I have my cool shirt. I look like a Batman. If we are looking back on my day, it was pretty much sleeping, watching some film that Zan showed me, and then we started to get ready to go to party, to go to the club. So this is pretty much fucking everything. And for today, so she went to the toilet, and maybe after that we can go outside. We are drunk now. We have drunk so fucking much. I was going to the toilet and then I went into the wrong room and I was like, what the fuck, where is the closet? Toilet. Where is the toilet? We are at Fontaine and we are in really bad quality. It's so dark and I feel so sick. We drank so much booze.
I almost puked.
She already puked a few times. Now we are going to meet up with my cousin for a while. And then we will go back because we want to dance. It's actually kinda warm because I'm in Zana's t-shirt. We are sitting here with some crazy people. One of them is my cousin. I asked for some water because I'm feeling really sick, and all they got for me is snow. Well, that's the greatest cousin. And now I will film the crazy people. Those are the crazy people. We are banned from the club because we were on stage. We were in backstage and then we were on stage.
We were? What the fuck, we were?
We were.
Where?
And now we are banned whatsoever. So I'm now in the hotel, in some kind of a hotel, with band. Wait, please hold this. Hold my phone when I
Do I have to call your phone?
No, I'm filming my vlog. I'm doing a vlog, so I'm filming. But wait, hold it. Hold it, please. Okay, I will make it. It's done like this. If I will manage to do it. You can't do that.
Krapkowi. Krapkowi. Коробковый.
Крабков,
I'm
вы
with
пойдете?
Крабкор, да? Что?
Вы пришли в магазин, кто-то просил меня в Сатоу идти.
А что можно в столе
And
купить?
there's Zan.
Павло.
And I'm still filming. Still filming.
Я тебе язык такой? Я тебе резаю язык такой.
So,
Дай, подожди, дай я
there was more light.
А не на видео.
No idea what we will
Давай,
do. Let's see.
Нет.
What are you doing?
I'm making a mummy.
You're the worst.
You're the best. So, hello.
Дальше вот все поймет.
You have a toothpaste in your hair.
Me.
No, he. I'm going somewhere now. No, bitches. Say hi.
Разбитая. Привет.
Hi, because I'm speaking English in my vlog.
Привет. Потому что она говорит в блоге своем по-английски.
At the hospital because we had an accident. Terrible accident. We were partying with those guys and we decided today we'll go to Riga and join their other concert. So we did, and we had a car accident. Now my Zana is her legs. No, she's in the hospital and it's bad. It's bad. I think I have a few things wrong as well, but I didn't tell anyone about them. I think I will survive. But anyways, now I'm trying to find someone who knows my bank account number, so I need money. Oh fuck this day. So, hey, it's 2nd of February and it's 9:30. I got home around 7 p.m. and I was in Riga, and as you know, me and my friend and one band from Estonia, we had an accident, car crash accident, and my friend's in the hospital. But yesterday I got to Riga. Two very nice people came and took me there. Thank you for Gunnars and Vita. And yeah, so I was with the band, and really thanks guys, because I didn't have a place to stay and anything. And thanks for the ticket back to Liepaja and everything else. I had this freaking thing on my neck because tomorrow I need to go to the hospital. It's me, Zanzan. And for today, I guess I will say have a good morning, day and evening, and I'll see you all tomorrow, guys. Love you. And don't forget to subscribe and push the like button.
What's that? It's luminescence.
And push the like button. I love you guys. I love you.